My name is Aaron Hicks with the Vermeer Corporation, and I'm here at National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky. Behind me is a 504 Pro baler. This is part of our Pro baler line, and it's really made to put up wet or dry hay and just really handle that tough crop conditions to really make a dense, square shoulder bale. Let's dig in a little deeper and let's look at a few of the features that make up this Pro baler. We'll start with a pickup. This is a heavy duty pickup. It's wide, made to take those tough crop and feed it into the aggressive rotor. That heavy duty aggressive rotor is really going to take that crop and really grab that and feed it to the bale chamber. It's going to go over and drag that crop over the knife system. It's an extra cut chopper 17 system. We have the capability of doing 0 knives, 8 knives, 9 knives, or 17. And it's going to allow you the flexibility to get that crop just the size you want it. And this is going to help to increase fermentation if you're wrapping the bales. And then when you're feeding the bales, it's going to get that cut crop size, really the width of that cow's mouth, and you're going to have less sorting, increased feed efficiency. As the crop goes in, it feeds it to our HydroFlex floor. Our HydroFlex floor does a couple different things. It's constantly flexing. In those silage conditions, you're going to get those slugs of hay, and it's going to allow those slugs to pass and just give you a little bit of room so you don't have to stop and take the time to unplug the baler on those smaller slugs of hay. When you get the big slug of hay, you're going to be able to drop that floor out, clear the plug from the cab of the tractor, and continue baling. It's really going to save you some time. Another thing about our Pro baler line that's new this year is our 604 Pro. The 604 Pro is an exciting baler. It allows you the flexibility to do a wet, dry hay, but when you're doing that wet hay, you're going to be able to do that 4x5 silage bale. But when you want to do dry hay, you can do a regular 6-foot bale. And that's going to mean a lot less bales in the field when you're doing dry hay, and just really going to be a nice dense bale for you out there in the field. Come visit us at booth 4296 here in Louisville, Kentucky at the National Farm Machinery Show. You can see the Pro baler along with all the other great products, or if you can't make it, please just visit Vermeer.com. Thank you.